Greetings to all of you guys. Welcome to my welding world. Our current content is about welding thin stainless steel plates, and I will show you the difference between stitch weld or drops weld and continuous welding. We use a 309L welding electrode to demonstrate simple tricks and tips for welding thin metal. If you are new to my YouTube channel and interested in this kind of discussion about welding, please like, comment, and share with others. Subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you are always updated with our upcoming videos. I will soon start our welding tutorial from 1F to 4F and 1G to 4G. Please support my humble YouTube channel. Thank you. Join me and let's start the demonstration now. First, I demonstrate stitch weld or drops weld. Before starting, always make sure wearing proper PPE such as goggles and welding mask and welding gloves for your safety. Watch and observe carefully. Those are the tricks when welding a thin stainless steel plate with a high amperage welding machine. Yes, the tricks I mentioned are essential when welding thin material by using the proper techniques, such as maintaining a consistent travel speed, controlling the heat input, and ensuring a steady hand. You can effectively weld thin materials without burning through or creating holes. It is crucial to have a good understanding of the welding process and to practice these techniques to achieve clean and strong weld on thin materials. Now, for the second part, continuous welding, watch and observe carefully. Those are tricks when the welding machine is set at the right amperage welding machine. You like are discussing the techniques of stitch weld or drops weld as well as continuous welding. These techniques are play crucial. It seems you like are discussing the techniques of stitch weld or drop weld as well as continuous welding. These techniques are play crucial role in achieving quality welds, especially when working on different types of project and materials. It's important to master these techniques through practice and proper training to ensure the integrity and strength of the weld. If you have any specific question or need further guidance on these welding techniques, feel free to ask. This is our drops weld and stitch weld technique, and this is the continuous welding technique. See you guys in our next video, and thank you for watching.